So guys, in this video I will solve you one most common issue that you every time comment me, like link click not working or a click not coming to your blog. Why impression is coming, but see, I am using a method. Every time every click comes to my blog will get automatic one direct link click. Very simple method. See, anywhere I just click, it will redirect into a automatic direct link very easily. So the method is, I have used only one script which is named click script. That's it. See how actually it's working. It's not a spam. It's like when I click on home button, a link is open, also home button also open, both work in same time. It's not a spam. It's not like if I click on others post, the post will open, don't worry, but it will bring you a new direct link from your site. That's the secret. And if you don't understand my voice, don't worry, mute my voice and see actually what I am doing. Today I'm going to share a click script, okay, and a free keyword tool, because you know it's very important. You will understand why I am telling that. Free keyword tool you need. Also I will share you a prompt, a premium prompt for you, which you can use. Okay, how you can how you can use the script in your theme. Very simple. Go to the theme editor and copy the script and paste it in the very last section of the theme code, like in between body. See where I just post it, up position of body. Okay, paste this up position of body. That's it. You don't have to do anything more. And after that you just need to change the link. I am using Monitech and Adsterra both. You know why? Monitech earning is slow, but it's also a good choice of earning. That's why I am using Monitech link and I am using Adsterra direct link in here. Okay, so the click script will work as a, if you bring 1000 traffic in your blog, if they click on your traffic at least one time, you will get 1000 click. Like any of your visitor will not waste. They will give you a click by using this click script. This is my motive. And by doing this, you don't even need to set up any ad. Use this script is enough to bring you much effort. Like you don't need anything else. Okay, whatever. Now you need this prompt. This is very important prompt I am going to share you. Always use this prompt to make a new blog post. Okay, so I am working on this method. Like I am now working on a organic way to get traffic from Google or social media. So how you can get organic traffic? You must have the organic post, organic SEO post, which you can get traffic by the search terms of Google. So for this, use this website. I will share this website link in the comment section. You see, every statistics used here is verified from Google Analytics, and the pricing of keyword is also verified by Google Analytics. So you can change your keyword, you can use any other keyword to make blog post. That's it. And after that, when you get your desired keyword, you copy this keyword from here, paste in here. Okay, with the prompt. I have already give you the prompt in comment section. You can use this prompt. Then the ChatGPT will give you the best SEO optimized blog post, which is a super premium blog. After that, when you make this type of blog, you need to do some marketing. Don't worry, I will share share you the method. But always remember that if you are a Adsterra working person, if you are a Monitech working person, if you are a AdSense working person, you must know the marketing method. I have already made a video on marketing method. You can see this in my channel page. You can see this video, you can comment down. Okay, so see, I just paste the blog post in here and I will give a title of the blog. After that, when you do this, must get an high quality engaging image from Google. You can use Google, you can use any stock image from free stock site. I am using a Google image as it's easy to find. Okay, you can use free royalty free image also. That's it. It's depend on you. So search the best image from Google. Take time. Okay, don't do this so fast. Take time, take decision, do analysis what actually you are doing. So I thought that if this method working for me, I hope this method also working for you guys. That's why actually I always try every method I used, every method I am getting a good result. I'm trying to sharing with you. You know, my now in my bucket list have Adsterra confirmed, Monitor also confirmed. Now I am working for organic Google AdSense. Also I have confirmed one thing, that's YouTube channel. Okay, I will work more on that. I will try to make more video how you can utilize that channel. I mean, if you have any channel, but in the meantime you have to ready. When you get so many traffic, you have to ready in your site. You have to paste the click script, $10 script, everything you have to know. Otherwise, when traffic come, you cannot catch the opportunity to make revenue from this traffic. So what I have done, I just complete the post and go to the reddit.com and searched for iPhone leaked topic. That's it. Just do what I'm doing. This is a simple way of doing marketing, like iPhone leaked topic. Find a very viral topic, paste your link here with a little interested keyword like leaked iPhone specification, reveal the upcoming iPhone specification. That's it. That's actually the main game changing point. When you can do this, you can understand the marketing secret. You can understand the how you can bring traffic from your, bring traffic to your site, bring traffic from Google. That's actually the secret of marketing. So just paste it in here, and after that it's you can now comment post in comment section. Okay, that's actually the secret. So you can do this very easily. Use this method or use the click script method. You can get a good result. I hope it will also work for you. Now the things is how you can use script in a new site. You don't do this repeatedly. This is my another site, that's why I am doing in the theme section. Only one time you have to post in theme section. That's it. Click on edit HTML, and in the very last section here, only one time you will need to paste this. Don't do or don't need to post in every post. You don't need to do this. You just paste this code in one time, just one time in your theme blog theme. Okay, so now the code is ready, and see, this is an example. Like I'm going to read this full article. Okay, so I click on read more button, and what you can see, automatic link also open, the blog also open. When I click on read more button, when I click on any post, it will automatically open a new link, also the post also. That's actually main secret. So guys, use this method, and I hope you will get so many Reddit topic based on iPhone leaked, Pixel leaked, new upcoming movie leaked. Okay, This is actually the marketing way of earning from multiple sites like Adsterra, Monireg, AdSense. Okay, so guys, use this method, and please you can comment me which method is working for you. I will try this method also. Thank you guys.